tunin hapanin ta cha no award pi do thei ki dinga dam nei pi pa pathin thang ko win in hop jingu chu tu kuma zong pi do thei ding mi zan hamin nei win mi zan ham pi do thei ding in nei na lai zu win ma sa penin lon hin nei pi pa pathin I thang ko win chu song le ama chunga ki pathui se win hi ta cha pa ta cha no award hi ipi lungzu ya ipi Muhammad ya hele kham dom lai zinei masam ga ki ti mai le kham lai hi sunga to mun tham mun ne government job hin mu ho hi ki pa pi na le thang at pi vet san a kham lai ki pi hin tu ni tu ni lai hi ki paum ta an me nga le pasal khat achang thei ding don aumin iti kum ham khana kunin pasal sangin me hin ki papi ta le ki thangat ta in pasal sangin me hoin atam mu thei ding in iu movin ki chizong hi ati sera tu ni hi chi chanbo chang thei ding ang ho chunga zong ati senen ki pathu se win abale babana khangdong ho zong ki ham bota lung halo hila pangjing ding in zong ina ki tim ki do vele hi chikyu chu hilowi tu din ha pana hi award anamusa akong ziklai ahi banga ato na muna ato na sanga ahoy zole aphazo hin mumini ya mumina mo zong chu ki papi nei na minu zong iga ta lang movin amani choi hi le ama sa pena ngam go mang misau pa kam khulin misau chapa ahi in amani CGL ya Controller General of Defense Accounts Ministry of Defense ya clerk nga ano tong jing ahi na hin la ikipapi la in Central Secretary ya Assistant Section Officer Hinwin Dalia posting zinglai hin le ani na thanghu ho gunhang thanghu ho twai ki pa hita talo pa on lun chapa hin amai Indian Army to zinglaya Special Commissioned Officer through Lieutenant Hinkimu kidin amani chung tum ta hin khamlain chumpe ki pathu le ki pathu in se win it thang at pi naw le ki len sa pi naw I phung win hi tu hin award pi dona hi church committee member langa pa boy ipi dona hindi pidi mo win ama itim no mo win pa boy ama hum zinglain tua award chang ho hin Bible chang khat ka hin sim no ven rom bungge chang som thong le khada chun chuti hi le hi cheng thua hi ipi se du no ham pathi ei holama patle koi ham ei do thei du wa pathi ne na to na mun se du ven phathe nan bu ven den award hi sim do na committee member gunhang agin in cementen pidona nei ina nei pepe di wi ta cha award simphama ken khat nei katin athua Evangelical Youth Department Asia Church Tuibong ta cha award Miss Lam Hoi Kim daughter of Mr. Thanglet Misau and Mrs. Maithai Misau Probationary Officer, Bank of Maharashtra, IBPS, in appreciation of your achievement as a prominent government employee on merit basis during your youthful days. This award is presented to you on this privileged occasion of the 28th Youth Day Celebration 2025. May God be your guide and strength. Signed in all, Mr. Salman Khokib, EYD Secretary, Mr. Zamsezo, EYD Chairman. Nunga lam mai thir ama ong thai lo le ai ko ten la pi ding in a team ve Abana Miss Esther Kuki, daughter of Mr. Thanglam and Mrs. Hanejing. Amahi clerical ahi in Punjab National Bank IBPS. Esther amahu thelole koteo la the pi the di undan. Abana ki gulingin Miss Julie Miss L. Julie Totham, daughter of Mr. Sukhalal Totham and Mrs. Day Kim Totham, Agriculture Field Officer, Indian Bank IBPS SO. Abanahi Mr. Lalkutin Chong Haukir, son of Mr. Nefalal and Mrs. Clayponi. Mahi Sub-Inspector, CRPF SSC CPO.
Lipi on Khanabe Posijoke
Abanadingi Miss Lalong Kim, daughter of Malal Ramtham and Mrs. Lingboy. Miss Lalong Kim He, Auditor, Controller General of Defense Accounts, Ministry of Defense, SSC CGL.
Ai thele evat la hosu ste sa anadi den go la kim khat thai kilote ste sa dingden ding
Abanadingi Miss Marina Tinthin Ngai, daughter of Mr. M. Zampulalzo and Mrs. Tingneni, Office Assistant IPPB.
akan sai tale na dim lang lim khat pe akilom the pe oi the pe nang kilao